Here we have a 2-year-old apple tree that hasn't been pruned, so we're going to do a little bit of pruning to clean it up and open it up so we can get sunlight and airflow through the plant. The first thing we're going to do is remove the suckers from the bottom. The next thing we want to do is remove any limbs that are growing in towards the center. And this tree doesn't need a lot of pruning, but the last thing we want to do is take a little bit out of the top just to control the growth a little bit, the top growth. And that's about all the pruning we would do to this tree for this year. So here we have a 5-year-old apple tree that needs to be thinned out. We have a lot of water sprouts and inner growth within this tree that is cutting down on the sunlight and the airflow. So we're going to remove all this inner growth out of this tree and open it up. Thanks for growing with Extension. For more horticulture tips, visit extension.msstate.edu.